Thank you for purchasing the Dio Large Capacity Wax Warmer. In the box, you should have received a wax warmer, 2 metal inserts to warm up the wax, warmer lids and a power cord. To start using the wax warmer, first, plug the cord into the back of the wax warmer, then into the outlet. Then switch on the toggle power button to enjoy this large capacity wax warmer that includes a clock display, manual temperature controls, a fast heat mode, a timeout mode, and a programmable auto turn-on timer for prepping the wax so it's melted when you start your day. To set the clock display, press the T or time button. Once the hour's number flashes, press the plus or minus buttons to change the hour. Once you reach the proper hour, press the T button again to set the hour and program the minutes. Once the minutes number flashes, press plus or minus buttons to change the minutes. Press T one last time to set the minutes. To set the auto turn on and have your wax all melted when you arrive, start by pressing the A or auto button. Once the hour's number flashes, press the plus or minus buttons to change the hour. Once you reach the proper hour, press the A button again to set the hour and program the minutes. Once the minutes number flashes, press plus or minus buttons to change the minutes. Press A one last time to set the minutes. Then press the M button until red bulb on the left of the display screen turns on. The maximum working temperature of this large capacity wax warmer is 185 degrees Fahrenheit. To manually adjust the temperature of your wax, press the M or mode button. Continue to press the M button until the temperature is displayed. Then press the plus or minus buttons to adjust to your desired temperature. The fast heat mode allows you to accelerate the heating cycle time. To set the fast heat mode, press the M button until FH is displayed. Then the warmer will quickly heat to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, melt the wax, then reset itself to the temperature last set. The timeout setting is for keeping the wax warm but not fully melted. For instance, you are breaking for lunch. To set the timeout setting, press the M button until 3 dashes are displayed. Then the warmer will auto-cool the wax below the average melting temperature. To place the metal inserts in the warmer properly, make sure that the short edges are facing each other and meet at the center of the warmer. For safety, keep in mind that wax warmer, warmer lids, inserts and handles get hot while wax warmer is working. Thank you for your purchase. Your trust in Bombshell Wax means a lot. Enjoy your Dio Large Capacity Wax Warmer.